Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Kanal. I'm actually just wanted to give you guys a quick tour and where I'm staying. I'm actually in Medellin, Colombia. I'm staying in a neighborhood called Laureles. But before I can actually go give you guys a tour of this facility, I just wanted to give you guys that this is not my first trip to Colombia. I actually been to Colombia at least over 6 times, I believe. This will be my sixth time. I visited Cartagena, Cali, Medellin, Bogota. And one of my draws with Colombia is that there's a lot of culture here. You know, when people think of Colombia, they just think of Pablo Escobar, cartels, but it's really not like that. And people assume that Colombia is not a safe country, but it's actually a lot safer than the United States. I'm just keeping it real, especially right now during our current climate. Um, Anyways, just want to go ahead and just give you guys a tour where I'm staying. I'm staying at this place in Laureles. I got this apartment and through the Airbnb, which I paid $111 for a 5 bedroom, 4 bath. One of the draw that I really like about this place is that it has a very open setting throughout the living room, from the living room to the balcony to the kitchen, and I love the natural light that actually comes in through the apartment. The decor is amazing. I love seeing some of these cool photographs, but also these inspiration text messages along the apartment. Definitely, this is a creative space. It makes you want to think, makes you want to be creative. I think if anyone who sits here, you don't want to just be lazy. You really want to explore your creative mind and really start thinking about things you could do. Again, this place is amazing. I love the fact that each of us have our own room, our own bathroom. There's a nice spacious balcony where we could actually sit outside and enjoy the sound of Colombia and people watch. One of the great things about this place is that it's actually 1 block away from La Hacienda Boulevard. Um, it's La Hacienda Calle. And this is where all some of the bars, restaurants, and clubs are for Los Reales. And it's really cool because it's not very touristy, and you could actually get the experience of what the locals experience. Normally, I will stay in El Poblado, but this time around, I wanted to explore something different. So it's great, easy access to all the transportation. I can use Uber here; it's fast and easy, and also I can actually have access to the bars and restaurants just a block away from me. Um, One cool thing about this place, it does offer a jacuzzi. So you could actually use cold water or you can use hot water. So again, I'll be utilizing this just to relax and just unwind. Jump on this jacuzzi with a nice bottle of sangria, and I'm good to go. But again, this is a very spacious place with a lot of natural light, and can't go wrong with this. This facility does offer a house cleaning service each day, which I decided to take advantage of, and the lady actually does an amazing job, which I'll tip on a daily basis. But anyways, Colombia is a great place to visit. This apartment in Laureles is awesome, and I highly recommend everyone to check it out. So again, this is really cool. I think will be an awesome place for everyone to come out and experience Medellin. There's a lot to see and do here. We're actually going to go to Communion 13 as well as do the cable ride just to see the city and enjoy ourselves. But anyways, just wanted to give you guys a rundown as far as where I'm staying at. I'm safe, and I'm safe. Again, guys, I think Colombia is a lot safer than the United States. I'm just keeping it real. But overall, I'm enjoying myself. I'm here for a couple more days, then I'm off to a city called Cali, which is in the southern region of Colombia. I'm there for a few days, then I branch off and go to Cartagena to close out my trip and back to the States. I'm keeping it real, guys. I'm planning to get the hell out of there within the next 10 years. That's my goal. I have no desire to retire there, so sorry for that rant. But now I'm really on the exit strategy, just leaving the country, and hopefully in the next 10 years I'll be in a position to do that. But again, this is a great place, guys. Check it out. I'll leave the Airbnb link for you to check out the apartment if you're interested, and go from there. I hope all is well. Enjoy your day. Be safe and travel. Explore your passion. Live life. Take care.